We are looking at how to pronounce this Chinese greeting, meaning wishing you prosperity, and used during the celebrations of the Chinese New Year. How do you go about pronouncing this phrase? In Pinyin or Mandarin, used in most of continental China, this is normally said as Gong Hei Fat Choy, Gong Hei Fat Choy. In Cantonese, however, used in Hong Kong, for example, this is normally pronounced as Gong Hei Fat Choy, Gong Hei Fat Choy in Cantonese versus Gong Hei Fat Choy in Pinyin. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more useful Chinese words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.